Yesterday we were talking about the magnetic lines of force, and we were trying to determine the reason why magnets they attract the ferro and paramagnetic substances, whereas simple piece of iron cannot. So we found that magnetic lines of force, they are the reason for that attraction. Magnetic lines of force, they move from North Pole towards South Pole. So you can say that North Pole is actually the output for magnetic lines of force. Okay? But the question arises, how these magnetic lines of force they are produced, because they are the reason why ferromagnetic substances बच्चा बताएगा मुझे, कल बताया था फेरोमैग्नेटिक सब्सटेंसेस कौन सी होती हैं जी, कौन सी होती है फेरोमैग्नेटिक सब्सटेंसेस? ये फेरोमैग्नेटिक सब्सटेंसेस